Let's see where the market is trying to go. All right, so now I want to see. I was not expecting the market to drop down right there, but I'm wondering if this could have been a possible buy right here. It's too early to tell, and the timing is horrible, but I'm wondering if it's going to come down here and respect this 5-minute order block. I don't really, so far I haven't really respected it so far, so this is not really a trade I would feel comfortable with. But sometimes smart money is like they're known for doing this where they drop the market down a lot, make people think it's just going to keep going down, and then they're going to be entering a trade where most people are going to be too scared to enter the trade. So right there, we're getting a bounce off of this new week opening gap. That is very beautiful right there. Very, very beautiful. We want to see more, we want to see more green candles right here. I did take the trade. The risk to reward was just far too good for me not to take it, but it's not a trade that I'm overly excited about. But so far, these green candles are definitely making me excited. So I'm going to move my stop loss into profits just to be safe, right? I'm going to move my stop loss pretty much right here, right where that orange line is at. So that's where my stop loss is at. If we get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. It's not really a trade that I was overly in love with anyways, but just in case the market decides to, go all the way down here and keep going, I wanted to see if I can test it out. Right there, I just got stopped out right there. So, made about 180 on that trade. I would have preferred to see the market keep going, but it's not a trade that I'm overly in love with. But we did tap into that new week opening gap again right there. Trying to figure out what are you saying? You said best viewers. I don't understand what you're trying to say. Let me see. I'm gonna have to go to Twitch real quick to see what you guys are saying. I'm glad I got out of that trade right there because that's disgusting right there. Let me see. I'm on Twitch. Select Able said best viewers. Oh, best viewers screenboo.com. I don't know, what did that mean? So it's looking like the market is going to continue to go to the downside. We have to, the best thing to do at this point is just to wait for these hourly lows right here, right? If the market sweep these hourly lows and then close above, then, we probably going to continue to go back up. But based on all of this price action, it don't look like we're going to continue to go up, honestly. It look like it's going to start coming down to sweep out some of this liquidity. Then you guys remember, I literally just told y'all this yellow line right here is the midpoint of that daily wick right here, right? This yellow line right here. So price could, it could want to come down and hit that. We don't really know for sure. We're just going to have to wait and see what the hourly time frame give us, right? On a 5-minute time frame, if this thing is going to continue to the downside on a 5-minute time frame, let me see, what do we have on a 5-minute? We don't really have a range on a 5-minute time frame yet, right? But we almost have a range. Yeah, so like I said, very choppy price action. It's hard to really know what to do, but so far price have went below where your stop loss would have been for this 5-minute order block right here. So that have already invalidated that 5-minute order block, which means that we're likely to keep going to the downside.